Assalamu alaikum, Kareem Mustafa. How are you? This is Khan from Pakistan, and as we have discussed earlier on Telegram, I was busy for some time. These functions that all of these functions that you are looking at are these are string decryption functions, okay? And these are the keys. This is key, like. What do you say key in Arabic? Miftah, or I don't know, key something, okay? And this is a function for decryption of a string. What these functions, all of these functions are similar in structure. These are same, okay? All of these functions are getting a string table address. This is the string table address from here, 382.004 in 3.4 32-bit, okay? And the partial key is here, 3E3FAC, okay? These are saved here, and then a do while is run, a do while block is run, and there is termination conditions. Condition is if v11 is not equal to 2. This is the termination condition, and the XOR is happening here, and the key is 5E. This is the XOR key, okay? You can see that this is the power of this. It means this is XOR, okay? And this 4 is the increment size, okay? After each iteration, the string is this is like increment size or jump size for the strings to be retrieved, to be taken out from the hidden way, okay? Just an example, all of these functions are similar. This, all of these are similar. So as an example, we will try this function. This is an easier one, and the other things you can also see. String9 decryptor, this is a function that I will show it to you as an example. For this function, the XOR key is 8 and increment size is 6. So 8 and 6 you should remember, okay? 8 and 6. And this is passed with this key. This is the key. We will copy it, okay? We will copy this key, Ctrl+C. And this function will run. What are the sizes? 8 and 6, okay? 8 and 6. So Alt F7, we will run our decrypt general function, 8 and 6. It will give us the call object virtual machine, and this is the way how we find it. Similarly, you can do for this one. So this is the 174B as a key, and similarly, if you come here, here is the XOR 3F, and this is +7, you know, for increment size, 3F and 7. So 3F and 7. Decrypt 3F and 7. Oh, sorry, no, 3F and 7. Paste key, then 3F, then 7. Okay, and this is called ADD, address maybe, or something. So this is ADD. Similarly, we can do for other things like 1E18. If you come here, this is 4 and 3. 4, 3. Model contains. Okay, so this is model contains. Again, let's go for other. This is sig action. This is very important, and let's go check this one, 17, and we will find the keys here, 1F and 4, 1F and 4. So 1F, 4. File size less than, LT for less than, okay? This is how everything is decrypted. You are like studying a function, for example, this function, and you are, for example, where, let me find a suitable function for you. For example, this function, and like any function, like for example you go to NSDKICTL old and you open it up, and you will see many functions that are using keys, like this one. See, 66D4, this is key and this is the function. Okay, now you want to know what is case 4 doing here. So you can check it. For example, here let's copy this key and go inside this function, take this 18 and 4. Okay, 18 and 4, 18 4. This is shell crash. I don't know what it is doing, crashing something, or I don't know. Similarly, like go to any other function here. Let's see other examples. For example, this is also a key based encryption. This is inside case 11, or let's say case 10. This is case 10 here. It doesn't have any decryption. This is allocation based on size. This function, let's say maybe these are strings. Yes, see, these are string inside case 10. So this is an interesting one. For example, this is allocation. Okay, allocate memory, and I know it because no, sorry, I am wrong here. So it is 85 is a key here, and this is extracting some number on 21 and 2. 21 and 2. Okay, so you run the script here, 21 and 2, 21 and 2, and this is this thing, or okay, this becomes this string. Let's see this one, 2C96. Here is 0E and 7. Files dir. Okay, so this will become this thing. Similarly, here we can see something else like 1A and 2. 1A 2. Files dir, wait. Okay, this is how you study function, and this process can be made automatic, but I'm lazy, I don't want to do it. 24 and 6. And 6. Need agree. This is something new now. Similarly, you can go down. If you see you want to go more and more, you can explore these functions. Like for example, this function, maybe I have it already. My teammate has decrypted all these things. Go to functions, and you will see many functions are renamed like these things. So, okay, if you go to NSDKICTL, this guy has not decrypted the function properly, but I hope some of those functions are renamed properly. See, XOR string table retriever 3485. If we go to this function, Yeah, I see. But this guy has not shown the strings, what these strings are going to be. Retriever, and string builder, and nothing else. This is you can do it also for yourself in any DB. This is useless shit. I have strings here, like this is the function that I have shown to you. This is the main function that you can use to decrypt the key, but it will show decoding error here. Here it will show error, but I will give you the correct one now. I think I have another one in 3.3. I can okay, so 3.4, 3.3 here, global. This one, look at this one now. So if you go here in, I have already commented out everything. See, these comments you can add automatically to the whole library, and these are the functions. tss ioctl dot emm %d and %s. This is the value coming here. Emulator status command and extra text. Any functions you want to go to, like for example bd57c. What else, like for example, look at this. So I have already commented everything out in this database. Shell crash, and this is automatic. So this thing will become an empty string here. This one will become register MTP information. This one will become decrypt TSS info. So decrypt TSS info command is passed, or maybe I don't, let's don't go into detail. Country and set locale ID, user agreed. If user agreed here, then the game will go forward. Otherwise, need pop, allow apk collect, you know, many of these things. This is how you can create the whole library. I will send this library to you if you want. And I think there is a memory master here. Yeah, so you can do it like that.